What's up, guys? Alex over here in the trail. Tell you the truth, it's been quite a while since I've been here. Even though I live like 2 blocks away, I haven't been exercising as much as at all in a few months. And the last thing I took the bike out was probably like 4 months ago. And I just want to make a quick video and show you something that I think is kind of cool. You know, this is my Polygon 6QT8 with a few modifications. Well, a lot, I guess. But the thing that surprised me, the only thing that I did was to put air in it. I didn't have to do any tweaks, any adjustments, anything at all. And it's been shifting great. Suspension feels great. It needs a tune-up, but it doesn't feel like it needs a tune-up. This thing has been riding great. And besides needing a little bit of a cleaning, the only thing that I can see that it actually needs quite as soon as possible is a front brake bleed or purge, something like that, because it's a little soft. Goes way too down compared to the other one. This one stops right away. This one, when I got it out, it took many pumps to get it to work because it wasn't stopping at all. Once I got to the trail, no issues whatsoever. And yeah, over here having fun, enjoying the daylight. Even though it's 7:30 p.m., there's still a lot of light. Maybe half an hour more, maybe 20 minutes, but it's great right now. So yeah, just a quick update. Haven't been riding in a while. As you all know, I don't have any new bikes on my fleet, but I do what I can with what I have, and I'm happy with what I have. So riding season is now. Get out and let's ride. Goodbye.